Hey Google, set alarm for 6 a.m. tomorrow.
Done. Your alarm set for 6 a.m.
Say goodbye to messy cables. Wireless charging powers up your devices.
Hey Google, good morning.
Hello, it's 11:19 a.m. Right now in Kuala Lumpur it's 31 degrees and mostly sunny. Today, there will be scattered thunderstorms, with a forecast high of 34 and a low of 26. Here's a joke to start your morning. Your wish is my command. Why don't some couples go to the gym? Because some relationships don't work out. Have a wonderful day.